Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. Today we will discuss about the how to use Git Graph in the VS Code. So those who are unable to use the commands from the terminal, for them it is good to use the Git Graph in the VS Code. This extension will help you to understand all the commit and who made the changes, what changes, or how many branches, which branch you should use, and all the changes or the information related to the Git. Simply you, as you can see, we will go to step by step. As you can see, the VS Code opened in the PC. From the here tab extension tab, you can simply install the Git Graph extension. When you click type Git Graph, then you can see this first extension. Simply install this extension. After installing, when you go to this source tab, okay. After that, you see this icon. Okay, you Git Graph. Just click on this, and it will show all the Git branches, their commits inside this graph. Okay, as you can see, there are the various branches. Okay, let's understand them first by first, one by one. Okay, let's see this fixer -01 along with the origin, and also you can see the fix -02 not with the origin. So what is this origin indicate? The origin indicate that the what remote repository you are added. So I added the remote repository with the name origin. So for the fix 0 branch 01 branch which is present in the remote repository and which is present in my local are at the same level, means are up to date. Both the code in the both the branches are the same in the both repository, in the remote repository and in the local repository. As you can see, for the master branch from my local, it is the ahead of the master branch from the remote repository. Okay, which commit is the ahead? As you can see, this commit is ahead in my local master branch. Then my origin means remote branch. Okay, you can simply check out from the one branch to another. Let's check out to the branch 601, which is not present on the remote repository but present in the local. Just simply click on right click on this and click on this checkout branch, and you are now working on the fix -02 branch. To verify that, just see that at the bottom of the left bottom corner of the VS Code, you can see the fix -02. It indicates that you are now working on this branch. Let's make some changes, so see how it is working. Okay, let's make changes in some this yum, simply changing the variable parameter name. No need to understand the code, it is for the only the understanding the how the git track the all the changes. Okay, as you can see in the source tab, it is showing the one change. When you click on this, it show the in which file you made the changes. Okay, along with it shows the three icons and the also when means later, that is yum, which indicates that the file is modified. Yum means okay. Let's understand this first three icons. First icon is the open file, which simply open that the file in which you made changes. Okay, after that, this icon which discard all the changes that you made in this file. If you simply click on this, it will discard all the changes, means it will revert it back to the our previous changes. So for now, let's ignore it. Okay, after that, you can see the plus icon which add your changed files to the staging area, from where you can we can means commit the code. Okay, so when you click on this, it will add into the staging area. Suppose if you have the multiple files, Then you instead of the adding the simply one by one, you can simply use the plus icon that is showing over here alongside of the changes. Also there is one icon which discard all the changes that is available in the all the files that are listed here. But if you want to discard the changes or the add the simply one file to the staging area, then you can choose the options available in front of the name of the file. For now, let's add this file to the staging area. Okay, as you can see, this file is now moved to the staging area. From here you can also open the file or unstage the file. When you click on this unstage, it is again adding it into the changes and removing it from the staging. So for now, add this into the staging and write the comment like names names for par parameter are changed. Okay, and just simply click on this comment. Okay, okay, just check out that the Git graph. As you can see, the our the change or the commit in the branch fix02 is shown here. And also it is showing the message that we have used when at the time of the commit, that the names of the parameter are changed. For the parameter are changed. Okay, also you can see the hash of the all the commits. When you click on the any particular commit, it show all the details what the changes made in that commit. Just like that, a hash of the commit, who is the parent of this commit, author, commentator, on which date it made changes, on the message of that commit, and also the in which file the changes are actually made. If you click on this file, it shows the which content is changed. So in the previous code it was the this, and in the code after the commit, the latest code, the code that changed, it is shown on the right side. Okay, there are the some plenty of the options available at the top right of the VS code. You can simply use that. This for the going to the previous change, this is for the next change. And also there are the inline view, which simply remove the split mode and show the changes in the inline. For somebody it is the good, it is depend upon the your choice. You can see this also, or you can use the split mode. I prefer the split mode. Okay, after this, as you means you understood, I think you understood the how to check the changes, what changes made in the particular commit. Okay, just click this. Okay, now suppose if you made changes and now you want to push this branch into the your remote repository, then you just simply need to click on this branch, whichever branch data you want to push, and select on push branch. When you click on this push branch, set upstream yes, push mode normal, and yes, it will simply push the branch into the your remote repository. Okay, as you can see, the now origin is added along with the fix02. It indicates that the code available in the fix02 from the remote repository and the local repository are at the same level. Okay, you can access this Git graph from going to the source tab and after clicking on this, or simply from the, if you press Ctrl Shift P and if you type Git graph, then also you can see the this option view Git graph. When you click on this, it will also show this graph. It is simply visualizing all the Git folder, Git commits, Git branches that is present in the your repository. If you don't want to get messed up with the commands, then you can simply install this Git graph extension in the VS code and use it efficiently, from where you can analyze the commits in which branches are done, which branch you can use, or which branch is synced up with the remote branch, who made the changes, when made the changes, what changes are made. You can monitor all the changes, all the data from this Git graph. Or there are the many options that you can use. If you simply click, if you want to rename the branch, then you can simply click on this, and as you can see there is one option, rename. You can simply change this. If I want to change it to the 98, okay, as you can see the name of the branch is simply changed. Okay, means you can do the many operations from the Git graph instead of the using the terminal, so it will be easy to visualize. Also, if suppose you are already working on the one some software and you want to create some feature branch from the your main branch, and also now want to make changes in that branch and push that branch. Suppose if you want to create the one branch from this master, so simply click on this, and after that create new branch from, and now just select for master, and after now we will rename it feature change name, and the name of the branch should be meaningful. For now we are now learning, so I will be keep it as it is, like feature change name. Okay, as you can see this branch has the code and the history up to the master. If I made some changes in that manner, let's make some changes, like make this as p, and also make this as p. Okay, as you can see there is one change, so simply add this and commit this, uh, renaming renaming and commit this. Okay, from the Git graph, you can see that the feature change name is go one commit ahead from the feature branch in the master branch. You can simply push this branch and raise MR to merge that into the master branch, and all the developer who has the master privileges will review your code, and after that he will merge into the master. So overall this is the overview of the how the VS code, how to use the Git graph in the VS code efficiently. I think you understood the what are the basic operation you can do with the Git graph in the VS code. So that's it for today's video. Let's meet into the another video with new concept. Thanks for watching. See you again.